Isn't she a beauty? Look at that. I love this tractor. I just took the chains off, left them in the mud. I gotta put them in clean them up. Birds are all out. Not nice. Just starts up so good with the new starter in it. Put the key in the ignition. Get it out of gear. Make sure it's neutral. And on that. Turn the key on. We'll choke out a little bit. This will lift up. That's my little carry-all. Isn't that beautiful? It's a little muddy. I'll take it down to the brook and clean it all up nice. Press the choke in. There we go. Put the seat down. Oop, this lever right here does this. Yeah. Close that down. Yeah. Pull the lever up. Beautiful. When I'm not using it, I put the seat up. Beautiful little tractor. It gets warmer, I want to clean it up, do some work to it. Change the plugs, change the distributor, wires. Exhaust is right there. Really would like to have an exhaust come off the top, but then I have to put the can on. So I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna buy a brush hog for it pretty soon. Got a bunch of fields that just have to be maintained a little bit better, so we can throw some hay. And attach that chain right there. Yeah. Chain was never attached before. This was going way over here. Slide this actually here. Slide the tire. I'll fix that. Gonna do brakes. That's my tractor. I'll just go over there, push that lever down, and lower that. That's it. That's my tractor, 1948 8N. A beauty. If you like my videos, subscribe, share, comment. I like to hear comments. All right, have a nice day. Bye.